Imagine yourself in this 2007 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are clock, in-radio display, manual front air conditioning, rear door type, tailgate, 4-door, front shoulder room, 65.2, front suspension stabilizer bar, door pockets, driver, passenger and rear bench and wheel diameter, 17. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.